Check out this highly sought after 2012 Tacoma TRD Off Road. It looks amazing in Barcelona Red, and it's equipped with fog lights, rear privacy glass, and 16-inch alloy wheels. Around back, the truck features clear LED taillights, a tow package, mud guards, TRD Off Road branding, and a chrome rear bumper. Opening the tailgate reveals the Tacoma's bed has adjustable tie-downs and the liner is in top condition. This popular 4x4 looks sharp with a skid plate and a blacked out grille with chrome surround. Safety features include anti-lock brakes and traction control. Inside the cabin you'll find premium cloth upholstery and form-fitting bucket seats, along with air conditioning, cruise control, power windows and locks, a leather-wrapped wheel, tilt steering, and an AM, FM, CD, MP3 audio system with steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, and a backup camera that displays in the rearview mirror. The upholstery is in good condition and the access cab offers seating for two in the back with jump seats that can be folded up to create additional cargo capacity. The engine compartment is factory fresh and powering the Tacoma is a 4-liter V6 with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Tacomas this nice are in high demand. Don't delay, call and book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.